Good morning, boys and girls. Hope you're doing well. Good morning, moms and dads. Hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Just checking in. Want to do a quick lesson on the letter U. And boys and girls, do you remember what the letter U says? It says like umbrella. And our alpha friend says up, up. What sound does U make? What? Good job. It's red because it's a vowel, and if you remember, every word needs a vowel, and so the letter U is a vowel. One word that comes to mind is the word up. Say up. You say up. If we can spell it this way. You put that letter there. What is it? We combine them. What do we get? Up. We blend them. Up. U-P. Up. Perfect. And another word that we can make is, remember what that says? K. P. There's cup. Blend those together. Great job. Great job. Let me have you try this one at home, okay? Okay. What's that sound? What does that sound make? If you said "ba," you're right. Good job. It's a B. Ba. G. Bug. Bug. G. The letter U is tricky in that I couldn't find a lot of things around the house or things that start with the letter U. So I have a couple pictures that we can use. We have an umbrella, and there's the word that says umbrella. It starts right there with that U, umbrella. So we'll put that up here, umbrella. And then also this animal is a bug, bug. Now bug does not start with a U, but there's a U in the middle of the word, bug, just like we did with our letters. All right. And boys and girls, I went through our class list, our name tags, and looked for kids, whose names had the letter U in them. Do you remember this boy's name? Do you remember his name? Samuel. Hi, Samuel. And you have the U right there in your name, Samuel. Samuel. And boys and girls, whose name is that? That is Ruby's name, Ruby. There's the letter U right there. Good job. Ruby. Ruby. Hi, Ruby. I hope you're doing well. Every time I think of you, Ruby, I think of the yellow banana that you always like to talk about. And I miss those stories. And we have one more student whose name has the letter U in it. And whose name is that? Starts with an M. Miguel. Miguel's name has the letter U in it right there. So we've got three friends whose names, Miguel, Samuel, and Ruby. All right, I'm going to take those cards down. Boys and girls, what does U say again? What sound does it make? Good job. Good job. And when we make that letter U, we are going to start at the top where we make all of our letters. We go down, travel over, and up. And the lowercase u is the same way. We go down, over, up, and then we come back down on the same line. See that? Down, over, up, and right back down again. And a capital U, there we go. And the lowercase. All right. Do you remember our story, the blue balloon that we read? And the story about the blue balloon that would travel up to space? One of the words I like to write with that book is up. Up. There we go. Up. Up. And we could write up again. Up. Okay. There we go. Up. Okay. What's that letter again? And what sound does it make? Good job. Good job. All right. And like last time when we did this, we are going to make some sentences real quick, refreshing with our high frequency words. So let me go, excuse me while I get these. And I'll use our name tags. Here we go. Do you remember this name? Who's that student? Samuel. Samuel. Look closely at that high frequency word. Has. Samuel has, we can remember that one, a truck. Say truck. Truck. If we look closely, we'll see the U in there. Truck. And do you hear that U? Truck. Samuel has a truck. Alrighty. Let's come to the next one. Here we go. This time we will use Ruby's name. Ruby. Look closely. I'm not trying to trick you, but I needed this word to help make the sentence make sense. Ruby, very close to this word, has. Now look at the next word. What letter is that? That's a D. And what does D say? Da. Had. Ruby had a, you know what, a, and then what color is this? What color is that? Red, like my shirt. Had a red umbrella. Ruby had a red umbrella. And there's our period for our stop sign. All right. And the last one, whose name is that? Remember his name? Look at it closely. It starts with a Miguel. Miguel. In fact, that's not where Miguel's name's going to go. It's going to go somewhere else in the sentence. All right, I think you remember this one. What does it start with? It starts with the letter S. C. C. Okay, see if you can read that one with a little help from me. Okay, let me adjust that. Here we go. See the bug. That's a bug. Or you could say a pincher bug. See the bug, Miguel? And this time we're using a question mark because it's asking a question. That's why my voice goes up at the end. See the bug, Miguel? See the bug, Miguel? Okay, great job. And what's this word again, this letter again, boys and girls? You're right, it is a, what is it? U. And U says ah. Okay, I hope you continue to do well. I love the work that you're sending me, and Mrs. Carsey, great job. And one of the lessons coming up will be to make a little book if you want to. Just a little book with things that have the letter U in them. Or you could do things up in the sky and just make a book and read it. Emily sent me a really cute video of her just reading a book that she made. Thank you, Emily. It was very well done. Okay, kids, have a great day. Stay cool and make sure you drink a lot of water. And make sure you're helping mom and dad, okay? Stay well. Bye-bye.